our channel. Today I am going to unbox GoPro Hero 7 Black Holiday Bundle Pack. I just received this package from Amazon and I am going to unbox it right now. So let's begin. Came with a very good packaging, and this is the actual camera and it is fully packed. I can see that one GoPro selfie stick is there, one battery is there, and one 32 GB SanDisk Extreme memory card is included in this pack. Special bundle comes with GoPro Hero 7 Black, gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization, it's written here, 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60K resolution, video live streaming is supported, and it is up to 10 meter waterproof. And it comes with 1 year warranty. I think I need to register for the warranty, and it is given by Creative Peripheral. 28,490. This is the price. And this needs to be opened from here. This is the GoPro camera inside the box. Here we have some manuals. This is the manual. I hope nobody reads this. We have two GoPro sticker. You can attach it on your helmet and some other places. Very nice sticker. Have question, then you can chat with the experts in this website, and here we have some instruction how to remove and all these things. Let me show you the accessories first. Memory card, 32 GB SanDisk Extreme memory card. This is V30. Let me place it over here. GoPro battery, GoPro additional battery, charging cable. This is the selfie stick. The name of the stick is Sorty and it is branded. Let me remove this packet. This is GoPro Sorty. One mount, and that's all. This is carb mount, so you can attach it on your helmet or somewhere else and mount the camera over here. Let me show you the Sorty. Looks like this. It can be extended. I can extend it like this. You can place it in this way. You can mount the camera on the table in this way, and you can hold it very easily like this. So this is very nice thing. You can keep it in your pocket and you can go anywhere with this sort of. So I like this thing very much. Come to the camera. This is already mounted over here. This is very small camera. You can hold it in this way. It will go inside your palm. And this is the cover. To bring the actual camera outside. Hey guys, is 180p Full HD with 60 fps frame rate. Hyper Smooth is auto. This is my testing for this GoPro Hero 7 Black, and outside is a little bit sunny and temperature is warm. So let's go upstairs in the terrace and see how we can take the videos. Okay, I have come to the terrace, and this is the GoPro mode of this video. The sky is nice and blue. Here there's some birds. Now I'm walking quite fast to see how this hyper smooth stabilization works. Now I'm running